comes down because 3 times the 1 that's there is 3. Then I bring down the square root of 75. Now, 75, that's definitely not a prime number. So what I'm doing is I go to my factor sheet or my calculator, just in case you don't have a factor sheet. So I look up 75. I got factors of 1 and 75, 3 and 25, and 5 and 15. Notice 3 and 25 is in red. It's that perfect prime combination. So knowing 3 and 25 are my numbers, I'm going to put that right here for a second. The reason why I'm doing that is I'm going to show you just in case you don't have a factor sheet. I mean, it'll be good. It'll be great. But then you can also do it on your calculator. So I know that 75 is going to be my radicand. So I got my 75 and I start dividing by those prime numbers. So if I divide by 2, I got a decimal. And that decimal is not going to work. We need a whole number. And especially we need a perfect number. So if I do 75 and I divide by the next prime number, which is 3, I got 25. 25 is a perfect. So that means the perfect combination that I need will be 3, which is my prime number, and 25, which will be my perfect. So that's another way of doing it if you don't have a factor sheet. So I'm going to break down my 2 radicals. The 1 being perfect, which is the 25, times the 3. And this whole number of 3 is coming down because remember, you're multiplying it with the radicals. Square root of 25, that's perfect. So that gives me a 5. Square root of 3, that's prime. So if I can't break it down, I'm bringing it down. So now we bring down the 3. So now since we're multiplying, you multiply the whole number with the whole number, which gives me 15. And we bring down the radical because the rule is you multiply whole number